Where to invest 100K right now? Many investors ask, where to invest 100K right now when looking for a safe and stable investment. Gold is still one of the best choices because it has been valuable for centuries. Unlike many risky assets, gold usually keeps its value during economic uncertainty. Gold is often called a safe haven investment. When inflation rises or the stock market becomes unstable, many people move their money into gold. That is why gold remains popular for long-term investing and retirement planning. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. 1. Learn about gold investment. Before investing, understand how gold works. Gold comes in several forms, such as gold bars, gold coins, gold jewelry, digital gold. Gold bars and coins are the most common for investors because they have certified purity levels. Always check the stamp or certificate before buying. You can buy gold from trusted dealers, banks, or brokerage companies. Make sure the seller has a good reputation. 2. Choose the right type of gold. If you are thinking about where to invest 100K right now, choosing the right form of gold is important. Physical gold is popular because you directly own the asset. However, it also needs secure storage. Many investors keep gold in bank safety boxes or professional storage services. This may cost extra money, but it keeps your investment safe. You can also invest in digital gold or gold ETFs. These options are easier to manage because you do not need physical storage. 3. Buy gold at the right time. Gold prices often rise during financial crises or inflation. However, the best strategy is usually long-term investing instead of trying to predict short-term prices. Buying gold gradually can help reduce risk. Many investors use gold as protection for their savings and retirement funds. 4. Do not invest everything in gold. Even though gold is considered safe, it should not be your only investment. Gold works best as part of a diversified portfolio. You can combine gold with stocks, bonds, real estate, savings accounts. This helps balance risk and improve long-term financial security. If you are searching for where to invest 100K right now, gold can be a smart option. Gold offers stability, long-term value, and protection during uncertain economic conditions. Still, successful investing requires careful planning. Buy gold from trusted sellers, choose the right type of investment, and keep a balanced portfolio for better financial results. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.